Hey there, the team over at Baker's Signature sent over these parchment paper pieces for me to try and tell you guys about. Let me tell you some of the ways you can use these and why I really like them. When you open the box up, they do come wrapped in another piece of paper, so I just pour off the top and then everything stays right in the box. And you can close the box when you're not using them. One of the big uses for these is putting hamburgers between these so you can just take out frozen burgers as you need them. We also really like using it for Canadian bacon. We do the same thing with Canadian bacon that we do with burgers, and then we can just take out a piece or two at a time. Some other great things that you can do with this is it's good for small batch cookie baking. If you only want to bake a few cookies at a time, you can throw a few of these down on your cookie sheet, put your cookies on top and bake them on that instead of using a full-size sheet of parchment paper or having to grease your pan. These would also be good for something like candy making. If you make homemade caramels, you can wrap up your individual caramels in this already cut and ready to go. Arts and crafts is another good use. In addition to what you can use these for, here are some features with the parchment paper that I like. It is oven safe up to 450 degrees. It is non-toxic, is not bleached, and it is greaseproof and waterproof. I really like using parchment pieces once in a while. They definitely have multiple uses that make things a little easier for me. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if this product is a good fit for you.